Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use chlorophyll drops in water. First, always check your specific product's label for precise dosage recommendations. Generally, you'll add about 5 to 15 drops of liquid chlorophyll to 8 ounces of water. Stir the mixture well until the chlorophyll is completely dissolved. This ensures even distribution and optimal absorption. It's a simple addition to your daily routine. For best results, consider drinking chlorophyll water once or twice a day. Many people find it most beneficial to consume it in the morning on an empty stomach, which can aid in absorption. While water is ideal, you can also mix it into your favorite smoothie or a cool beverage. Remember to avoid hot liquids, as high temperatures might reduce the effectiveness of the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is often praised for its potential to support natural detoxification processes and provide a gentle energy boost. Some users also report it helps as an internal deodorant, reducing body odor. When you first start, begin with a smaller dose, perhaps 5 drops, to see how your body responds. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your regimen. Proper storage is key to maintaining the potency of your chlorophyll drops. Always store the bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Many brands suggest refrigerating the product once it has been opened to preserve its freshness. Ensure the cap is tightly sealed after each use. If you notice any unusual or adverse reactions, please stop using the product immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.